Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Brandon from BIT, and today I'm making a video about something that really excites me in the Ethereum ecosystem, and it's the release of the Augur app, or DApp. What Augur is it's a decentralized prediction market. So what a prediction market is it's an exchange traded markets created for the purpose of trading the outcome of events. So what that means is you can basically bet on the probability of an event happening. And it turns out it's a really good indication of what's going to happen in the future because participants are actually staking their own money and placing bets on the outcome of the event. And what Augur does is it decentralizes everything, so it removes the central entity that's needed for reporting and hosting the marketplace. So what this will do to prediction markets is it'll drive down the fees associated with participating, and it'll actually open it up to anybody that wants to create a certain market without censorship. So to get started, you can go to augur.net and download the application. It'll take you to their GitHub. I'm running on a Mac, so I downloaded the DMG file. You open it and install it onto your computer. Once you open up the application, you'll have to sync your node. After you do that, it'll allow you to open up the application. This could take a while. It's really relatively new, so there are bugs in the software. But I was finally able to get up and running. And so the app is going to open up in your browser. The first thing you're going to want to do is to connect your wallet to the platform. You can do this through MetaMask, Ledger, or Trezor. I'm using MetaMask. I have the extension right here in my browser. So all I have to do is go to MetaMask and connect. So now my wallet is synced with the platform and I have my ETH that I am ready to bet. So let's check out some of these markets. The popular one obviously is cryptocurrency. There's a lot going on with sports, the World Cup, political events. So let's check out cryptocurrency. So this is a market to tell whether the price of Ether will be above 500 at the end of 2018. So if I, for instance, think that the price of Ether will be above 500 at the end of 2018, I would want to buy shares in this market. So for every, let's say 2018 comes and goes and the price is above 500, for every share that I own, I get 1 Ether in return. So the market right now is giving a 67% probability that this will happen. And I think that's a good buy. I think that the price of Ether will be above 500 at the end of 2018. So what I will go and do, I will go to the sell book. And I see right now someone is selling a share for 0.74 ETH. Now, I mean, it's important to note they're not offering a full share. They're only offering 0.04 of a share. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a share, 0.04 of a share priced at 0.74. So what that will mean will be if I'm right and the price of Ethereum does go over $500 by the end of 2018, then I will get a 35% return on my investment. So I'm going to go ahead and try to buy this. It'll generate a MetaMask transaction. I'm going to up the gas just so it goes through faster. So I will be back when that transaction goes through. My transaction just went through. It took about 5 minutes or so to do it. So now I can click under my positions tab, and I have a net position of zero point 0.1, which means I have one share um, saying that the price of Ethereum will exceed $500. So now if, let's say, this closes and the price is above $500, that means I will receive zero point 0.1 Ether back for my position. So let's say I just want to make a small profit. And what I can do is I can create a sell order, and let's say I want to sell one share, but I want to make some money. So I initially bought it for this price. Now let's say I want to make, I don't know what percentage this is, but I want to give it an 83%. Let's go 85. So I can put this up for sale, and so now I'll be selling 0.1 share at 0.856 ETH. So I'll be selling this position. And so what that'll mean is I'll make a profit. Let's say, 2 months from now, the price of Ethereum is at $700, and it looks extremely likely that the price will be above 500 at the end of 2019. Someone might go ahead and buy up this share and at the price I just set, because they'll still make 14% on their purchase, but I will also make profit because I am selling the share at a higher valuation than what I bought it for. The last thing I want to show you guys in this video is just to really showcase the power of the concept of a decentralized prediction market. Right here we have a poll on whether Trump will be reelected in 2020, and as more money is staked on this platform, this percentage is going to get more and more accurate because people are putting real money on the line to bet on this. So right now there's not a lot of volume going through this platform, but as it grows, you can look to this prediction market as kind of an indicator of where we're at. So right now, the platform is giving Trump only a 40% chance of being reelected in 2020. But we'll see how that plays out and how the markets move. A good website to check this out, you don't have to download the app. You can just go to predictions.global, and here it will list all of the available markets and what prediction they give. So imagine you're building an application. You can use this as an API to kind of gauge on future events. So that's it for the video. I'll probably make a follow-up on my trade. Let's see. Hopefully I'll make some money. Hopefully Ethereum will pump. Right now there's 618 markets. This was only released a week ago, and there's already $1.4 million being staked. This has the potential to be one of the biggest apps in the world, and it just launched. It's really exciting stuff.